Welcome to Python online classes. Now we'll see example how to remove a directory if directory contains the files. Clear? So first we'll go to one new Python program. So here I have a new Python program. So I will save this program as I will take save as remove directory with files example.py. So before going to remove directory with files example, we'll see how to remove directory without using files. So first I will import the OS, the previous example what we have seen couple of days ago. Import OS if os.path.exist happy. So my current working directory is OS module examples. So this is my OS module examples, and here I will create one directory called happy. So I have a happy directory if exist, and say rmdir os.rmdir happy print directory removed else print directory does not exist. So this is what our previous code. And now if I run this code does not have any kind of errors and it will execute perfectly because the directory does not contain any kind of files now. Its a directory is empty and directory is available on that location. The two conditions are satisfied, then it will run. So I will run module, then I will get directory removed. So this is what happens whenever I say directory removed. Now if I go to that folder, directory is disappeared, it's removed. Now I will create again directory happy, and I will create some text files here, new text documents, let's say hi, and here say hi. So one document is created, and I will open the extensions also here. So I will create multiple text files, 1 2 3 4. I will say some name how, and I will have some content here how, and I will say this happy, and I will have content as a happy, and I will have hello as a content, save, and I say hello. So here I have 4 text files, and now I will try to remove this file, and we'll see what will happen. So whenever I remove this file, what will happen? So I say run module. So Windows error, what is the error here? Directory is not empty. That means whenever we have some files, directory will not get removed. Previously directory is empty, it's removed, but now it's not empty, then it will not get removed. So for that, what should I need to do? I need to remove all the files from the directory first, then only I can remove this directory, otherwise I can't remove this directory. To remove all the files, first of all I need to know what are the files I have inside my directory. What are the files I have inside my directory? So for that, what should I need to write? I need to list all the files of directory. So for that we have a function called os.list directory. On which directory? Our current directory is OS module example, but we are not working with OS module example. I need to get the content of happy directory. So to go to happy directory, I need to go to the dot is for current directory, and next directory is happy. So I am going to the happy directory, os.list directory. So it will store in the format of list of strings, then I will save this into the one variable called list. So li. So this list will print all the file content, so all the file names of the directory. So now if I say print li, so I will first check whether I am getting all the file names or not in the list. So I will make it as a comment and I will save and I will run module. Then I am getting all the file contents. What are the file names are there here? happy.txt, hello.txt, hi.txt, how.txt. Now I need to delete each and every file. So for that I will iterate a loop for I in li. So I say os.remove. If I directly say I, what will happen? It will take the file location, directory location as a OS module example, and OS module example does not contain any kind of file called happy.txt or hello.txt. These files are not there. So first I need to navigate to this folder and then I need to go to the file name. For that I will write code in this format: ./happy plus I. So now it will check the file from this folder called happy folder, so it will remove. So after that, after removing all the files, I will say os.remove. Now I will perform this code. So here I will write the content to remove each file in directory, each file from directory, which directory? Happy directory. To get list of file names from happy directory. Printing list of file names from happy directory. So this is how our code goes, and now we'll check whether this works or not. So first of all, before executing code, I will go to the folder called OS module example, and here I have a happy and I have some 4 files here. So now I will execute. So run module. Source must be saved. Okay. What is the error here? System cannot find the specific file happy.txt. So I got error. That means I made some mistake here. We'll see what kind of mistake. So here I didn't close it a slash here, so I need to close the slash here. So again I will save and I will run module. So directory is removed. Now I will go to the OS module example, and here I cannot find any kind of directory or else those text files. So this is how we need to remove directory when it contains some data or some files. So this is all we need to know, removing a directory with date, content or files. Importing what is this? Checking, or else we will write it will return true when happy directory is exist. Clear? This is importing OS module. So this is how we need to execute. Now what will happen if I run this code? Directory does not exist. So directory does not exist. So this is our code, and that's all about how to remove directory when it contains some text files inside the directory. That's all for this video. Thank you.